Why do people struggle even when God gives guidance?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story of Judges becomes honest and intense, because the people of Israel had clear guidance, yet they kept drifting away. Let's slow down and look carefully. This book shows a repeating cycle of forgetting, struggling, crying out, and being rescued. This might surprise you. The struggle was not because God was silent, it was because people slowly stopped paying attention. Most people miss this part. The real battle was happening inside their hearts long before enemies showed up outside. Here is the deeper layer. Judges reveals how repeated choices shape a nation's direction over time.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. The people had seen miracles, yet they slowly forgot who God was. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. Comfort made him careless. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. Small compromises turned into bigger patterns. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins or declines. Repeated choices built either strength or weakness. 5. This connects directly to real life. We also drift when things feel easy or normal. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. What we repeat becomes who we become.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat small actions, whether they are wise or careless. Second, habits slowly become automatic through strengthened neural pathways. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them, including pride, fear, or gratitude. Then, repeated reactions create mental shortcuts that guide future decisions. Next, when we ignore guidance repeatedly, the brain becomes less sensitive to warning signals. Finally, what feels like a small choice today becomes a deep pattern tomorrow.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. Skipping small responsibilities often leads to bigger stress later. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic, especially when we think rules no longer matter. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily. Avoidance can become a habit. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns, both good and harmful. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible, because distractions constantly compete for our attention.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning. Second, repetition is what gives them strength, whether that repetition is faithfulness or neglect. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum in one direction or another. Then, what once felt harmless becomes powerful over time. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character, or small compromise into weakness.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening inside you when you feel tempted to ignore guidance. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel the discomfort instead of pushing it away. Step 3. Choose one small obedient action instead of waiting for motivation. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing yourself for past mistakes. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow, because growth loves consistency.
What should we do today?
1. Choose something simple, not dramatic. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to. 3. Observe your reactions carefully. 4. Adjust without quitting. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again. Remember, slow drifting happens quietly, but so does slow growth. God does not abandon people in Judges, He patiently calls them back again and again. Faith grows when we choose small obedience even when no one else notices. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.